Electronegativity is defined as the tendency of an atom in a molecule to attract the electron pair towards itself. For example, consider a molecule XY. If electronegativity of X is greater than Y, then X will attract the electron pair towards itself. So X will get partial negative charge and Y will get partial positive charge. Electronegativity is measured by three scale: Pauling scale, Mulliken scale, Orled and Roche scale. Pauling scale consider a molecule like AB. If DAB is the bond dissociation energy of AB molecule, DAA bond dissociation energy of A2 molecule, and DBB bond dissociation of BB molecule, then electronegativity difference XA minus XB is expressed by this equation, where delta is the bond dissociation energy and it is expressed like this. Finally, we will get the electronegativity difference XA minus XB by this, where alpha is a constant which is nearly 0 except carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. Please subscribe my channel.